Now we're opening it. Not looking. Hi my Azone lovers. I just returned from Akihabara Azone store and they was having this thing called Fukubukuro, and actually it's a usual thing for Japanese stores. It's a kind of a lucky blind bag where you pay a certain amount of money and things inside this bag, they cost more than this amount of money. I was there at 6:30 a.m. just in case I won't miss it, but honestly I could come later. It wasn't a lot of people this time. In Akihabara, people started to make lines already from 6 a.m, while all stores were supposed to open at 10 a.m. For more popular Fukubukuro, like from Pokemon Center, people starting to line up even earlier. So Azone store having this thing every year, and actually I decided to participate in it for the first time, and here we go. From around 9 a.m, everyone in the line got their number and a flyer with available items. From 10 they let us go inside and grab up to one item from each category. I got my pureneemo one. This year it was kind of unusual because in 1/6 Fukubukuro they actually included doll. It's one of 6 dolls. I thought it might be fun. Actually, I really want Aika, but I understand that it's just like one doll out of 6 dolls, and probably I won't get her, but still I hope it will be fun. Today they was also selling Koron. It's a New Year version of her, and 3 types of Fukubukuro. It's 1/6 size which I got. Another one was 1/12 size. They had like 2 dolls and clothes. And third one is 1/3 dolls. They had only clothes inside. So yeah, I got 1/6 size, and I'm really excited to see with you guys what's inside. I promise I didn't look inside, so it will be a surprise for me as it will be for you. Let's get started. So actual bag is inside this green Azone bag. Oh! Look what we got! This year Azone will be 30 years old, which is also noted on the front of this calendar. I wonder if some amazing releases are waiting in this year. Let's keep our fingers crossed. This calendar is pretty big with pretty images. Also here marked all the birthdays of different dolls. It's convenient. With the calendar I also got these paper craft boxes. They imitate doll box and cardboard delivery box. I'm not sure that it will look very realistic on photo though. Let's open and see what's inside. I probably won't get Aika, but still kinda nervous. Okay. This is... oh, so it's not just fastens with Velcro, it has this plastic thingy. Wait, I have a scissors somewhere? Okay. Now we're opening it. For sure. Ta-da! And still we don't know what inside. Look, you see that it's doll and some clothes, but which one? Okay, I don't know what to do. Let's start with clothes and leave the doll for the last. Okay, I think this green bag is with clothes. Let's open it. I'm not looking. We'll be just pulling things one by one. First, what it is? Yes! So it's supposed to be one of 2 sets. First is a pink kitty cat hoodie, and second was this coat. And I got the coat! So I'm happy. At least something what I wanted. The original price is 2,800 yen. That is actually a pretty nice coat. It looks really realistic. However, it fastens on hooks and zipper just an imitation. Okay, let's move on. And next thing will be this. What it is? It's a hoodie. The hoodie price is 1,500 yen. And this is pretty basic blue hoodie with a zipper, or not. It looks like it can be zipped, but actually it also fastens with hooks. Azone, what is happening? Why not to use zippers? Let's pull the next one. Not looking. Oh, something small. What it is? Oh, wow! Those boots are 1,800 yen. It could look like they're supposed to be worn with some heel feet, but no, they're great for normal feet. I don't have any boots with heels like that, so I'm pretty excited to try them on. I think they should be perfect with some dress. Let's take something big. Ta-da! Oh, okay. The original price is 2,700 yen. And to be honest with you, I was a bit upset when I got it. I just couldn't imagine my dolls wearing something like that. It looks so army related. But after that, I looked at it closely, tried it on, and I think they can rock it too, considering the jumpsuits are back now. On this moment my camera battery ran off, but next thing I pulled was those striped slip-ons. The original price was 1,400 yen. Not sure how I feel about them, but I guess it's nice to have something like that just in case. I don't have a lot of sports shoes. Okay, there is still something left here. Let's look at this. Oh, it's actually cool. I think I have one jeans, but those kind of different. Those jeans price is 1,500, and yeah, I was like, do I need another jeans? But those has a cute belt and they're of different style, so I think it's a useful piece and they can go with different tops. Let's see what else. Oh, what is this? The original price is 3,800 yen, and I'm really happy with this piece. It's a really cute dress in natural colors. The main part of it has gray stripes. It also has an apron with little pockets. Overall, I would buy something like this by myself, and I definitely has those who will be great in this. I think this is one of the best things I got from this Fukubukuro. I think the next one is the last piece. Oh! Okay. This costume price is 4,500 yen, and this is the most expensive clothes in the bag. After first glance, I was a bit upset because I think I saw only boy dolls wearing something like that. And I don't have any. What should I do with that? But then I realized it easily could be unisex, and blazers are cool too. Actually, one of the amazing things about any clothes Fukubukuro for real people or dolls is that you're often getting things which you wouldn't never buy by yourself, but at the end it could turn out really good. So they push you to try new things. New discoveries are always fun. You could be surprised. So this is all stuff I got from Fukubukuro. I can't say that I'm extremely happy with what I got, but I think it's not bad. We'll see how it will work on my dolls. I decided to try on all the things I got. I'm using my latest Chica doll, review to which you can find on my channel. She's flexion as body. I wanted to make complete looks without using any additional clothes. and it actually worked. So by getting this blind bag, you get a doll and a bunch of clothes with which you actually can make a complete look. Some pieces was on her a bit tight, but still I was able to put on her all acquired pieces. As we all know, this is not it, and in this bag I also have, ta-da, this is a doll. This is one of 6 dolls. I want Aika, please, please, please. It's kind of scary. Oh my gosh, okay. Okay guys, I will let you see her first. So scary, so scary. Damn it, sorry. Okay. Not looking, not looking. Who is it? Not looking. Who is it? Who is it? Oh no! I mean, I will say that I really wanted Aika, but also I liked her too. So I'm not completely upset with this. She had a special box which is mostly transparent. She was my first wanted doll from the list of 6, so it's not the worst that I could get. On the box it says that she is a good fortune daughter. I guess she will be my lucky charm for this year. So for this Fukubukuro I paid 20,000 yen and I got the doll. I got, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6 sets of clothes and I got 2 pairs of shoes. Also additionally I got this wonderful calendar for this year and this DIY boxes for dolls. I think I'm pretty satisfied. I mean, it was a gambling and I knew it, and it wasn't bad experience. So would you buy something like this for yourself, like blind bag with doll related things? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, what do you think about what I got? Please subscribe if you like this video. Bye bye!